In this video, I will show you how you can update the emojis on any iPad. Now to update the emojis of your iPad, first of all, just go to Settings. Now under Settings, just tap on General. Now under the General Settings, just tap on Software Update and check if you have any update available for your iPad or not. If you have any update available, just update the software of your iPad because Apple gives emoji updates with software updates. So make sure you update the software of your iPad. After you do that, then just go back to the general settings. Now over here, just scroll down and tap on keyboard. Now just tap on keyboards. Now on emoji keyboard, just swipe to the left side and select delete. Now after you delete the emoji keyboard, then just tap on add new keyboard and select the emoji keyboard from here. But if you cannot find it over here, just tap on the search bar and search this. Just tap on emoji and add the emoji keyboard to your iPad. After that, just go to the home screen and open the recent apps section and remove all the apps from the recent apps section. Then finally, just perform a force restart on your iPad. To do that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPad until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. And once the force restart process has been completed, you will notice that you have updated the emojis on your iPad. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.